Such a fun and easy dinner to make at home. We kept everything simple, no stress, just enjoying a cozy sushi night together. Hi friends, welcome back. Let's get started. So I have one container for my kiddo and one for me. We're gonna be needing some nori.
Give me this is the brand.
Some sushi rice, or you can use arborio rice.
Yeah.
It would work as well. Any sticky rice would work. Some smoked salmon, some cream cheese, avocado oil, which I'll show you how to use it in a second, some cucumber, some avocado, and we're gonna be needing some scissors to cut the nori and the brush to spread. So first I'm gonna be starting by cutting this, because for each container we're gonna be needing 3 pieces of the nori. So based on the container, if you're, for example, using one for your kid school lunch, like if it's a circle, if they want to take it to school, you can go ahead do the same thing, but cut this into circle. If your container is square, you will cut it into a square. So as I said, for each container we're going to be needing 3 papers. I'm going to go and see if it's gonna measure. Probably I'm gonna need to cut this into 2. So this will be for this container. For this one, since it's smaller, probably I'm gonna be needing to cut this into rectangles to fit in this container. Maybe 1. Actually, we can do it into 3. It would fit. Yeah, it would fit. So we have the shapes for this one. And for this container, we're gonna do it into a circle so he can take it to school. Are you excited to take it to school tomorrow?
Yeah.
It's gonna be fun. Okay, I'm gonna try to do my best. Probably I should fold it and then do like this, so it's kind of like a circle. I'm gonna move these aside. It doesn't need to be perfect. Just do your best to kind of make it fit into your container. Here we have it, some circle ones that will fit here. After I'm done cutting, I'm gonna put some tiny bits of oil within each container, and then we'll try to spread it out evenly. So when we try to dump it, you can dump it very easy. I'm gonna pour some here. Yours. So mommy will be doing this one and you'll be copying me and making yours here, okay?
Okay.
Doesn't need to be perfect.
At least
as
you
long
tried.
you try, exactly. Are you ready to spread the oil? Here you go. Let's spread some oil. Okay, next, after we're done putting the oil, we're gonna put some salmon. Mommy will be doing my part and you're gonna copy me. Okay, so here, place it on your container.
Again, it doesn't have to be
We're gonna
perfect.
try to cover all the container with salmon. So here.
And again, it doesn't have to be perfect.
That's right. Now we're gonna add the rice and you're gonna try to spread it evenly.
Okay.
Are you excited to spread the rice? Here, let me get your spoon so you can spread it. Make a layer of rice. Could you do that like this? And you can use your hands too if it's kind of hard to spread. That's fine. The other step is the nori. So you're gonna take one sheet and place it on the top, and one sheet from the circle, so place it on here, and try to push it down so it sticks. Next one is the cream cheese. So I'm gonna put one on mine. Some awesome here. So you can use the spoon you used for the rice to spread it. Try to do your best.
Even
to
only on the...
spread it evenly. Yeah, on everywhere.
Oh, everywhere.
So to make sure on each bite you get the taste from everything, right? Next will be cucumbers
and avocados.
and avocado. So let's start with cucumbers first. Let's put them here.
You can put it all around.
Yeah. You can copy me if you're not sure.
I already know what I'm doing.
Okay.
Doing specialty.
Specialty? In making sushi?
Yeah.
That's good. Maybe the smaller pieces will keep them for this container, so they fit.
No, it will fit already.
Some of them they're shorter,
Will
shorter
fit like this.
slices.
It will fit easily. And then, now the special part. We put
Okay, next we'll be using
again.
one more sheet of nori to cover this part. So you can go ahead and place each. Here's one, the circle one, and here's a rectangle one. And make sure you push it so it stays in place. Good. You done?
Again,
And then-
again, another level of rice.
Another layer of rice. Some here.
Then we spread it.
Let me put some on each container.
Yeah,
Maybe it's easier with fork.
yeah, it's easier with fork. Yeah, it's easier with fork.
Okay, good. And finally, I'm gonna finish with the last piece. So go ahead and cover.
Where do I put this?
You can put it here. Wanna cover your containers with the last piece of nori? Good job.
This is the layers that we've done so far.
Ooh, looks good. Are you excited to turn it upside down?
Yeah.
So we can cut it? So which container should we start with first?
Probably we'll do biggest to or smallest, so it's like this.
Oh, you want the biggest? Moment of truth. Here we go. Now the last one.
Only food is this. This is for school. I'm not eating it.
First, and to top it off, would you like some everything bagel seasoning?
Yeah, of course. Some seasoning on the top of it, so it can be good.
The one at school, I'm gonna put it here so it stays nice and tidy. Make sure to give them a fork so it's easy for them to eat. Dinner and lunch is ready for the next day.